The human eye is made of over 2 million threads, a delicate weave of nerve fibers that can detect the smallest of details. But did you know that thread, a seemingly simple material, holds secrets to the very fabric of our reality? Thread has been a cornerstone of human innovation, with ancient civilizations using it to create clothes, textiles, and even tools. From the intricate patterns of Egyptian hieroglyphs to the majestic tapestries of medieval Europe, thread has played a starring role in the evolution of human art and culture. But thread's significance extends far beyond aesthetics. Its unique properties have made it a crucial component in some of the most groundbreaking scientific discoveries of our time. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of thread and explore the remarkable patterns that underlie its seemingly simple structure. Imagine a single thread as a tiny, flexible wire that can be stretched, twisted, and molded into an infinite variety of shapes and forms. Thread's versatility is rooted in its molecular composition, which consists of long chains of repeating units, or polymers, that can be arranged in complex patterns and structures. But here's the really surprising part. Thread's molecular arrangement is not just random. It's governed by a set of underlying laws and principles that govern the behavior of all materials, from metals to glass to living tissues. This phenomenon is known as self-assembly, where individual components, like the molecules in a thread, come together to form complex patterns and structures through a series of subtle chemical interactions. But that's not the strangest part. Thread's self-assembly properties also allow it to adapt and change in response to its environment, much like living organisms. In fact, researchers have discovered that certain types of thread can even repair themselves when damaged, a process known as self-healing. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that thread can also be used to create ultra-strong materials, like kevlar, that are capable of withstanding incredible forces and pressures. This has far-reaching implications for fields like medicine, where thread-based materials could be used to create implantable devices that can repair damaged tissue and promote healing. But wait until you hear what comes next. Researchers are also exploring the use of thread in the development of artificial muscles and tissues, which could revolutionize the way we approach prosthetics and organ transplantation. The potential applications of thread-based materials are vast and varied, from sustainable textiles to advanced medical devices. As we continue to unravel the secrets of thread, we're reminded of the incredible complexity and beauty that underlies even the simplest of materials. So, the next time you see a thread, remember the intricate patterns and structures that lie beneath its surface, and the incredible possibilities that await us as we continue to explore the world of thread. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery into the fascinating world of thread and its secrets. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the world of thread. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world of thread? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.